So this is the video to show this non-dominant RCA, right coronary artery. This is a right radial root, and the patient presented with the NSTEMI. So on angio, this is the RCA, which has engaged with Tiger catheter, and you can see how short the RCA and thin vessel is. The RCA is less than 1.5 diameter mm, and you can see how deeply this catheter has got engaged in the RCA. This is commonly happens with this small and RCA. So when to say the RCA is a dominant, in nearly 85% patient, you will see the RCA dominant. So when the RCA give rise to the PDA, then it is called dominance, right dominance, that is RCA dominance. If the LCX is giving rise to the PDA, then that is a left dominant system, left coronary dominant system. So this is a non-dominant RCA. I'll show you the LCX here in the same patient. So the left side shoot, and you can see the LCX giving rise to the PDA that will ultimately supply to the inferior wall. So this is a dominant left system. So this is a left dominant coronary artery. So in different patient, I'll show you the RCA, dominant RCA. So in this case, you can see the RCA giving rise to the PDA that ultimately supplies to inferior wall, PD and PLV. So this is a right dominant coronary system. In this case, I'll show you the LCX. There's again the cranial view of the RCA, and you can see how large the PDA, PLV, and this RCA give rise to the PDA. So this is a dominant RCA. And here you see in the same patient which has a dominant RCA, this is a LCX, and LCX is not giving rise to the PDA. And although there is some lesion in the, significant lesion in the LCX, and you can see how thin the LCX is. So in this patient, this LCX is non-dominant. Wanted to show you the difference between the left dominance and the right dominance. So this is a non-dominant LCX with lesion, significant lesion. And coming again this non-dominant RCA. So this is the difference between the non-dominant and dominant RCA, wherein the dominant RCA gives rise to the PDA and supplies the large inferior portion of the heart. So this video is to show the dominant RCA, non-dominant RCA, dominant LCX, non-dominant LCX. Thank you.